Good day, guys. Welcome to Noblecreative Digital Marketing Agency. Hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to design a studio logo. I'm not the owner of this logo. There was one of my friends that has me to bring it to reality. He already sketched it himself. Just asked me to bring it into reality. So without wasting much of our time, let's go into the business of today. So the best now is to change this background to something and this transparent color, this self-made transparent color. Good to see the kind of work you're doing. So the word we are using, the logo we are doing is watermark. Wordman logo. It's watermark. Wordman logo. So now let's go. So first thing is the logo is RMG logo studio. So you type your R first. Maybe this. You actually include the size. You go to here so that you can actually use to drag it. So after that, you go to your font and change this font. So I'll search for font before I can get it. So then go. Wow. Come in, let me look for the font. Together, one and all, let's build a dream. Good. Action man. Since I use action one, I use something action here. So let me check. I'm coming. I don't really remember the type of action that I use, but I use action. So let me search for it. No. Okay, good. I use this action man board. Action man board. So this is the font. Action man board. That is the font that I use for it. Good. So you can actually decrease now. Then after you decrease finish, you go back there and check the size. That is 187. So after you check the size, you click on RMG. So remain MG now. MG. Good. So after you're done, you go back to your font, then give it another font. I use extra board here. Extra board. Good. So actually increase the size to 187. Let's go. 187. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. So you need to place it like this. Good. So after you play like this, there's something you need to bring out. So I've got it. I downloaded it. So let me bring it out. Download. Hey, stuff. Then you change it to white color. White color. Good. Then you decrease it. Decrease it. Good, and place it there. So after you decrease it, finish. Next thing you're going to do right now is you go to your marks. Good. Then you have to cut it. To cut it here like this. Good. So let's go. It remains small. So let's start. Good. Okay, there's still error there. Max 2. Good. What do you do? And then you come here. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me. Don't you hide. We can build there's something we need to do right again here. So let me this. I need to cut this one off. Good. So we only have this one. No.
Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.
Good. So after you're done, you go to your plus button again, then you write studio. So after you're done, you click here and mention everything together.
No more hate.
And now you can now place it at the middle. Place position. Good. Then give it color. Lemon. You use lemon this thing here. Go this something like this. So let me drop the color. I think yeah, good. Something this good for the color. Then go to your background. Then you change it to transparent. Then after that's finished, you go to your save. Then you save as image. Then save as PNG. Then you save as very high. Then you save it to gallery. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to mark it up on photopea.com. So let's go. So guys, welcome to photopea.com. So in this photopea.com, you are not using any PSD file. We use the own PSD template from there. So now what we do is to click on PSD template you are seeing here. Click on it. So after you click on it, we allow it to load. So after allowing it to load, you will have to look for the file yourself. So let's go and be looking for the file, the PSD file that I use. So you have to be patient. Okay, good. So this is it. So you click on it. So you have to allow it to load first. Good. So after loading, you click on the layer. This is the layer. You click on it. So let's go. So you see where they write your logo here. You double tap it. Then you click on this eye to edit. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to click on your file again. And your file, then you click on open and place. So you click on file. Then you go to this place. Then you click on the file, the PNG you saved. Why is not clicking? For me. So let me go to my Pixellab. I'll click on it. Good. So it will load. So it has loaded. So you have to increase it a little bit. Drag it a little bit. Good. Then increase at the middle. Good. So it's at the middle. So now the next thing you have to do right now is to click on your file again. Then you click on save smart object. So you have to leave it for it to save. So let's wait for it. Good. So after loaded, you click on the first one, modern 3D logo, so that it will show what you just did right now. Good. So can you see it right now? So this is it. So this is the work. So the next thing you have to do right now is to click on your file, then you click on export as PNG, then you click on save. Good. So this is it. So we are done with this. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to like if you are new to this channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload another new video on the channel. Thank you for watching up to now. May God bless you.
Like go